Hello?
Mate, where are you? We've got 10 minutes to start the show. Get here now.
Oh, I'm just so sorry. I'm so sorry. There's been like this meme emoji and Vine shower. It's crazy.
Okay, just make it ASAP, yeah?
Okay. I'll be there as soon as I can. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new and inclusive show, It's All the Rage, where we test people's knowledge on all things meme, Vine, and emoji. From giving Ainsley a good old rub to knowing the way. Our two contestants will battle it out to gain likes and ultimately be honored the Rage Machine and earn the emoji cake. The contestant with the least amount of points at the end will do a sad shimmy to the door with nothing to show. Welcome to the show, Tom and Tony. How are you doing?
Good to be here.
Living life large.
Nice. So where did you come from today, Tony?
I came from the valleys in South Wales today.
From the valleys of South Wales?
I did.
My word.
Yeah.
I've been to Wales before, actually. Have you heard of Cain Harflem?
I have.
Yeah.
It's, sorry that you've been there.
Sorry.
Yeah.
It's a nice, great experience. I even learned some Welsh.
Did you?
Sut oiti.
Yeah. Bendigedig. Ati.
Bendigedig. Ti'n iawn?
Iawn. Yeah.
Oh, very good. Nice to see you, Tony. I wish you all the best today. You're going to receive several emoji replies on our brand new state-of-the-art iPineapple 20. Now get your gardening tools out. In this next round, we're going to be digging for vines. This next round is called I Heard It Through the Grapevine. Okay, this is round 2. I Heard It Through the Grapevine. In this round, we're going to travel back to the time where we were blessed with the app of 6-second videos. Wait a minute. I'm getting some breaking news from the gallery. Vine 2 is back? What? Returning? Check the link below. Very good, okay. So this round, it's very unique. Look below. In this pot, you have 4 screenshots, okay? You need to attach the dialogue in the screenshot with the picture. For each correct match, 3 likes. If you complete this under the 30-second time limit, you can buzz in for an extra 5 likes. Finish the sentence. The old tailor can't come to the phone right now.
The old one's dead.
Oh, why? Because she's dead.
Okay, what's your answer?
The old one's dead.
Well, I have to give this answer to Tony because the answer is why? Oh, because she's dead. In 2017, what film won the Best Picture at the Oscars? Tom.
Oh, it was Moonlight or something like that.
You nailed it, Tom. You nailed it.
I'm on top.
Let's go.
Oh, Bad Luck Brian.
There we go, Tommy.
That's
You know, this is your boy. You know this all
mate.
day, every day.
I am Bad
All
Luck
day,
Brian.
every day. At the end of this particular round, Tony was winning with 25 likes. Tom, you were literally just behind with 24 likes.
Oh.
However, at a grand total, Tony, you have won with 60 likes.
Yeah.
Very well done. You played very well today. Very strong player.
Yeah,
Are you a bit of a meme fanatic? Are you one of the meme people?
No, but whatever I do, I win, so.
Wow. Whatever you do, you win.
It's what I deserve.
I'll have your push-up competition next at the end of the show, then we'll see if you're going to win that. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that?
Bye.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Tom, very well played.
Thank you.
Finished with 44 likes. You did very well, though. You did very well.
That's very kind
You
of
did
you.
very well. I don't like doing this to people, but I just got to do what I got to do. Tom?
Yeah.
Have a nice day. You have to take that walk. Very well done, Tony.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank
You
you.
are our winner.
Woo!
Receive your imaginary Rage Machine title.
I deserve this.
Don't forget, I gotta give you your emoji cake.
Oh,
Can we
okay.
bring in an emoji cake, please? Wow.
So
Look at this.
beautiful.
This is for you, Tony.
Thank
Hey,
you.
Tony, do you have anything you want to say to the people at home? Any news? Any?
Is this my camera here, or which that one?
Hey, Tony, we'll take that one over
Take
there.
this one?
Yeah.
I'd like to dedicate this to God and Harambe. See you up there, bud, in a couple of years.
Oh, Tony, that's so sweet.
I know I have a
You
heart.
really are sweet. You're like a coconut, hard outside but hard inside. Just playing. Okay, ladies and gents, thank you very much for staying with us tonight. I hope we haven't turned you meme crazy. Do enjoy your evening. If you need to, take a sip of wine and have a salty bay night. See you later. Bye.